Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I made a few updates to the Aluma trailer to make it a little bit easier to get the bikes on and off. I found that when the ramp was wet, that aluminum was a little bit slippery, so I'm going to turn the camera around here and show you what I've done to fix that. What I did is I went to Home Depot website and I bought this rubberized mat that basically fits the width of the ramp, and it's just a mat that's used in restaurants as a non-slip surface. And it's let me get around here, you can see it. It's corrugated, has holes in it, and all I've done is I've gone along with zip ties here, heavy-duty zip ties, and zip tied it to the ramp. And that should be able to make it so that putting the bikes up and walking the bikes up alongside them when it's a little bit wet outside, just with the rubber making it so that your feet don't slip and the tire doesn't slip. So that'll helpfully make it just a little bit easier. Another thing I've done to the trailer ramp here is this aluminum strip here was originally just straight with no bends in it, and it just kind of bent around to pin it right here and at the base to hold the ramp up. And what I did is I just took both pieces and put them in the vise side by side and made this first bend. All I did was just pull on it by hand, and then I put it in sideways and bent it back for the second bend right here, and then put the second piece in and match that bend. So now both sides have that bend in it. So as you can see, as you're looking down the side of the trailer here, it kind of bends around. Instead of being straight there, it just kind of bends around and matches up just a little bit better. Gives it a better fit. It was real easy and only took me a few minutes to get those bent. Well, I hope you like this little short video of making the ramp just a little bit easier, get the bikes on and off when it's wet outside, and the bends in the straps that hold the ramp up when you're in transport. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.